What do you have there, your bib? Good job. Put it on yourself. That's right. Let me see, Caden. Let me see what you look like. Turn this way. Hey. Hey, Caden. Oh, busy, busy boy. Hi. Let me see that bib. Yep, there you go. This is your favorite activity. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotta put your bib on again. Good boy.